Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and take a look at this 2021 Kia Telluride S V6 front-wheel drive featured in gravity gray exterior with a black interior. This vehicle is offered by Lou Fusz KIA in St. Louis, Missouri with a sticker price of $36,120. Here you can see the 20-inch alloy wheels wrapped with all-season radial tires. I just love the Telluride badging across the back of the deck lid. Here we get a closer look at the SV6 badging. Dual exhaust tips there. Single exhaust with dual exhaust tips. There you can see the brushed aluminum roof rails. Also, you can see the power heated side mirrors with turn indicators in them. And a close-up of the 20-inch machine finish alloy wheels. As we move around to the front, you see the daytime running lights. We can also see the front grille with an upgraded insert, front and rear bumper with upgraded trim. As we dive into the second row seat, you can see second row captain's chairs, and then a 60-40 split fold down third row seat. There you see the USB port charger for the second row occupants. We have a power moonroof. We'll open that up in a moment so you can see and let the sun shine in. As we dive into the driver and passenger area, we have rear cross-traffic collision avoidance, electronic stability management, vehicle stability management. Here we can see the 8-inch touchscreen. We'll touch on that, literally touch on that, and give you more information in a moment. Power driver seat, manual passenger seat. There's the sunroof. So the rear seat, the second row seats rather, are a one-touch slide and fold seat. And then you see the 60-40 split fold down third row seat. And I'm doing this with one hand, holding the camera in one hand and operating the seat. That's how easy these seats are to maneuver. So even the small ones can do it, or if you have something in your hand. So here's a great shot of the dashboard from the second row. And again, those are captain's chairs. We get a great look at the dash from door to door. We have an acoustic front windshield, power sunroof, synthetic leather trim seats. As we tilt back and show that sunroof as well as the rear vents, rear occupants can control that from the rear seat. So here we dive into the driver area. You can see the driver's power seat, the synthetic leather. You know, it's hard to tell the difference between a synthetic leather and a leather nowadays. They do such a good job with the synthetic. There you can see the heated driver and passenger seat, leather wrapped steering wheel with fingertip controls, tilt telescoping steering wheel, power windows, power side mirrors, heated side mirrors. Rear view camera with dynamic grid lines, Bluetooth wireless technology, smart key with push button and remote start engine. Here we punch through the 8-inch touchscreen. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Smart cruise control with stop and go, blind spot collision avoidance, parking distance warning in reverse, lane keeping assist, safe exit assist, rear occupant alert with ultrasonic sensors. So if you get out and you have a small one in the back seat that's sleeping and you forgot they're back there, it alerts you. Here you can see the heated seats, additional power ports for the driver and passenger. Drive mode select. As we punch through the functionality of that, shows up in the instrument cluster. Leather wrapped steering wheel with remote controls. Electronic parking brake. The electronic parking brake is such a nice feature. The glove box with all the owner's manuals. So as we open the rear tailgate, as far as storage capacity, we have 21 cubic feet with all the seats up. Fold them all down, 87 cubic feet of storage space. You can also see the additional power port, the USB ports for the third row. So all 3 rows have USB ports. The rear also has that 12 volt you see there, additional storage, and that lid you can also set down in there, and that way your items don't roll around while you're driving. Carpeted floor mats you can see right there. Great quarter shot. The engine is a 3.8 liter gas direct injection. That's what the GDI stands for. V6, producing 291 horsepower, 8-speed automatic transmission. Again, drive mode select. 20 city, 26 highway. Thanks again. Like, subscribe, and comment. Check out fuse.com for more information.